So, good morning everyone. This is the RGB LED light, project number 5. So, the RGB LED light, please read Sultan.
Let us start with the new components, an RGB LED. This component combines red, blue, and green LEDs and can display various colors by adjusting the different values of each light. A computer monitor uses many RGB LEDs to display an image. We will learn how to create different colors with RGB LED randomly in this lesson.
So, the component of this is the Arduino Uno R3 prototype shield, jumper cable, resistor, 5 mm LED RGB. So, to the circuit, please read Paspugin.
Before building the circuit, try to identify whether your RGB LED is common cathode or common anode. If you don't know how to do it, skip to the last part of this lesson. In this project, we assume that you are using a common cathode RGB LED.
So, that's all for the LED light diagram. And the Arduino code is the sample is project RGB LED. Int red pin is equal to 9 for the pinning of the red pin. Green pin is 10. Blue pin is 11. Void setup is the pin mode, red pin output, and green output, blue pin output. For the void loop is the red is equal to 0255, G is equal to 0255, then blue is 2255. Color RGB random, 255 random, delay is 1 second, void color RGB, int red, int green, int blue, analog right, red pin, constraint for the red and green and blue. Then to the code first, we will configure the 3 LED contained with the RGB LED, 3 W pins, so we can adjust to the different colors, declaring 3 pins to the output. The main part of this program is to create a command RGB, which 3 parameter assign values of the red, green, and blue, like between the values of 0 and 255. This way, when we want to configure colors, we can set the values to this command instead of repeating analog write command constantly. So here to introduce the constraint, the random, do try to look to the website mentioned in the last homework. First, see if you can understand them. The format of this constraint function is follow of the minimum value of x, a, and b. Constrain the parameter maximum value. Then the red green value are constrained with parameter. They are constrained between 0 and 255 with mean and max. The constraint function requires 3 parameter x, a, and b. X is a constraint number here, a is the minimum, b and is the maximum. The value is less than a, it will return to a. If it is greater than, it's b. It will be returned to b. So, component. Please read Jason.
RGB LED. The RGB LED has 4 leads. If you are using a common cathode RGB LED, there is one lead going to the positive connection of each of the single LEDs, and a single lead that is connected to all the 3 negative sides of the LEDs. That's why it is called a common cathode. There is no difference in appearance between common cathode and common anode. RGB LEDs, however, you do need to pay attention when assigning color values. For example, for the common cathode RGB LED, red is R is equal to 255, G is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. For the common anode RGB LED, red is R is equal to 0, G is equal to 255, B is 255. How can we adjust RGB LED to change the different colors?
So that's for the RGB LED. Then the difference between the common anode and the common cathode RGB LED is connection for the common anode is the common port should be connected to 5 volt, but both GND, otherwise the LED fails to be lit. Color matching the common anode RGB LED is totally different than common cathode RGB. The common anode RGB LED decodes in the opposite way R0, G255, and blue 255. So that's all.